to be doing is we're going to put ourselves in handcuffs. And then we're going to turn. That's what you're gonna do. So we're gonna do Ella first.
And we're gonna count how many seconds it takes us to get out. And whoever gets out the shortest wins.
Ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Got it!
22 seconds. 22 seconds on
Point 17.
point 17.
Now we're going to be doing Chloe and see how long it takes her. She has to be 20.17 seconds.
You mean be less?
Yeah. If she takes longer, I win. If she doesn't, she wins. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8.
Done.
Oh. Yeah, no, she didn't beat me! Yes! Yes!
You were 22.17. She's 20.86.
No,
She
I was
beat
20.
You were 22.17.
Okay.
Okay.
The winner